signpost, brightening the path for stumbling and weary feet. I'm Pauline. Country living, Jesus, and the great outdoors.
The childhood and youth of Jesus. An excerpt from the book The Desire of Ages. The childhood and youth of Jesus was spent in a little mountain village. Spread out before him was a great library of God's creative works. In the sunlight of his Father's countenance, Jesus increased in wisdom and stature and in favor with God and man. Luke 2:52. He who had made all things studied the lessons which his own hand had written in earth and sea and sky. He gathered stores of scientific knowledge from nature. He studied the life of plants and animals and the life of man.
Thanks for watching.